As Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has said, know you therefore that there is no worshipping saves Allah. Surah Muhammad verse 19. Here it is commenced with knowledge, and only scholars are the heirs of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Whoever inherits knowledge and whoever acquires it has got a complete share, and who trades a path in quest of knowledge, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu makes the way to paradise easy for him. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, only those of His bondmen who possesses knowledge fear Allah. Surah Fatir verse 28. And said, and none understands them but the learned. Surah Al-Ankabut verse 43. And they will say, if we had heard or reflected, we would not have been among the fellow of the hell. Surah Al-Mulk verse 10. And said, are those who know equal to those who know not? Surah Al-Zumur verse 9. And the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, with whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu intends goodness, He Jalla Jalaluhu blesses him with the understanding of the religion. And knowledge is acquired only by learning. Hazrat Abu Dhahr radiyallahu anhu said, if you put a sword on it and point towards his neck, then I may feel that I can convey to you a word which I have heard from the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam before you finish your work. I will convey it to you, and that is the saying of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The present one should convey it to the absentees. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, be men of Allah, Surah Al Imran verse 79, means intellectuals, scholars and jurists of Islamic jurisprudence. It is said, man of Allah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the one who tells the people minor things before telling them major issues. Hazrat Abu Wail reports that Hazrat Ibn Masud radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has fixed days for our counseling, disliking, at least we should get bored. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 68.